What's up, guys? Jake Fried, the Car Guy, back again with Walker Paul Tetters here for the Car Guys YouTube channel. And today we're looking at an absolute gem. This is our 2024 Ford F-150 Platinum. One of the highest trim levels available on an F-150. And I think how they've redesigned and redone this truck, it's one of the best deals and the best vehicles available. Starting right at the front, you see a beautiful new design for the hood with new air vents. Right up at the top are hood scoops. Not true air vents, but they are incredibly stylish. And they match that beautiful gloss black front fascia that you only get with the Ford F-150 Platinum. We also have our signature bigger than ever wraparound LED lights. And they've it's really kind of subtle, but they've perforated that light bar, I think, to make them even brighter. As far as safety, as far as equipment, you've got your fog lights, you've got your heavy duty front hooks, but you've also got sensors and cameras on the front, sides, and rear of this truck, letting you know how close you're getting to the items around you and also making it super easy to park, parallel, whatever you're gonna need to do. Beautiful platinum specific wheels that we haven't seen before in a nice gloss black to mirror that front grille and your trim pieces. And you also see this beautiful F-150 Platinum badge there that lets everybody know you're rolling with one of the best. You see your camera tucked up under that mirror. We've got another one on the side as well as the front and rear. Gives you that beautiful 360 top-down view. And another really cool feature they added, I believe it was in 23, but you can actually, is the kick drop-down power deployable running boards. They'll open up if you open up the door. They'll open up if you unlock the truck, as long as you have it set to that factory setting. If you want to turn it off, you can, but it's also nice to be able to drop them at the touch of that button there. This is our FX4 off-road package, so it's got skid plates up under there, a little bit better leaf springs, a little bit better suspension. So it is a great truck for those who want something comfortable, but also want to be able to get out there in the great outdoors. Now, as far as our tailgate here, touchable button and it'll go ahead and drop on down. Super cool, super handy hydraulic tailgate there. And what we see here is our tailgate work surface. So it's got spots for vice grips, for beverages, for pens, pencils, whatever it is. And it's also got a ruler here to tell you how you're measuring or cutting different materials with our vice grips. Now with the touchable button here, this will drop right down and give you your deployable tailgate step. Super handy to get this from the factory. It's a huge add if you try to do it aftermarket. There's not an aftermarket solution that's as good as the Ford Motorcraft one. But super easy to use. Press this button, it folds down. Press this button and it'll fold in the rail. And then this will come up quickly, easily, tucks right in. You've got LED bed lighting at the top as well as on either side. We've got some storage here, and we've also got a power point that we haven't had previously right there with our 120 volt chargers. Dual bottle openers, and again, we've got that beautiful black and white Ford badge that we haven't seen in years previous. I'm gonna go ahead and hop on into this truck and give her a nice crank up, nice cold start. Checking out the interior, this is a beautiful, probably the best Platinum I think we've ever seen, in my opinion. And one great thing that they brought back from previous years that we weren't able to offer in, I believe it was 22 or 23, are those massage seats. Show them the button, Walker. If you press that button, it's actually going to show you features on your screen here as to where you can control whether you want a lower, upper back massage, kind of rolling, circular massage. All kinds of options, even just a relaxing option for those nice long highway drives. But this is the most comfortable truck that I've sat in this year. We haven't seen a limited F-150 yet, but these seats are absolutely gorgeous with kind of the two-tone blue suede and your black accents with the silver kind of cross stitching. It's a great look. Touchable button. This Platinum comes with your interior work surface, so this folds to 180 degrees, completely flat for all of your work, laptop, papers, documents needs. We've got two USB-Cs in our center here, a USB-C and regular USB here. as well as a wireless QI or Qi charger. And at the touch of a button, that'll cover it up nicely. Just kind of gives it that more refined look. Speaking of power, we also got a 12 volt and a 120. So whatever you need to charge, your F-150 is ready to do it. Now this would be a great truck for towing. You've got your 3.5 liter EcoBoost with the 10-speed transmission, which absolutely will take care of the job, but you've also got a whole host of different tools to help you. So you've got tons of drive modes like your slippery wet, your trail, and your rock mode, but we've also got that tow haul mode for trailering and heavy duty payloads, an eco mode for good gas mileage, and a sports mode for performance driving. Now, as far as your seating, we talked about the massage seats. It's also got tri-level memory seats, which are super handy. Power folding mirrors there at the touch of a button for tight garages, tight parking spaces, doesn't matter. Automatic power windows, and a massive digital dash, as well as center touchscreen here. We've talked a lot about the center touchscreen. I won't go too into it, but it is the best sync forward dual display touchscreen available on the market. Now you've got your garage openers. You also have a Bang & Olufsen sound system, which is the best in-class sound system there as well. We've got all-weather mats, free of charger included with your vehicle, ready to go in. And one other great trailer option is this Pro Trailer Backup Assist, which, you know, once you set it up correctly, it'll go ahead and turn into a wheel, and you can just look at that backup camera view and be able to hitch it up. And there is a ton of views with this F-150. This is a side bed view, so it uses both cameras on the rear or on the either side of the truck. We haven't seen this before, but super handy when you're tight on either side of the truck. You got a trailer view, you got your rear view, front views, fisheye lenses. I mean, whatever kind of issue you're having getting around in this truck, I think it just means you can't drive, because this truck is super easy, super safe, and super capable, and there's not much better you can do. Blue Cruise capability included in here, so you've got that kind of hands-free type of driving, or that Ford driving experience. And I mean, at about 75 grand, this is a great price point for a super luxury truck, right? So I mean, we've got entry-level trucks, Chevy, Dodge, Toyota, doesn't matter who we're talking, coming in the 50s, 60s. Why not spend that little bit extra and get the truck you really want, the F-150 Platinum? Guys, this has been Jake Fry, the Car Guy. I love this Platinum. If I don't buy it, it's still available at certifiedcarguys@gmail.com. So hit us up and be sure to obliterate that subscribe button, because we need you subscribed so you don't miss any great content. Walker Paul Tutters, what you got for the people?
Guys, do not forget to like and subscribe. We appreciate y'all tuning in for this nice 24 F-150 Platinum. We're going to be bringing you some more of the upper trim level F-150s. We're just starting to see them on the lots. And big shout out to Ford for bringing back those massage seats. We really missed them. But guys, stay tuned with us. We're going to be bringing you more auto content, the best auto content. Do not forget to like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Suck up.